Hello, travelers. This is Michael with M&K Travel, and welcome to the first edition of the Suite Life, where we take a look at the suites in the Marriott chain. In this edition, we will explore the JW Marriott.
Our first tip for staying at the JW Marriott is if you do not want to use valet, go around the block to 13th Street and park on the National Place parking. It's connected to the Marriott.
As you step out of the elevator from the parking garage, the first thing you'll see is this sign pointing you to the left. Go down the hall to these doors, which will take you into the hotel lobby of the Marriott. If you decided to use valet or came in the front entrance, you'll come across this amazing 4-story lobby. The lower levels are mostly big conference rooms for conventions. One level down, you can find the 1331 Bar and Lounge, which is located on the site where the famous Gin Ricky cocktail originated. As you enter through the front doors, turn to your right and head towards the reception area. There is a separate line for Marriott Bonvoy members. If you're a frequent traveler, I highly recommend being a member. Membership is free. First, we will take a look at a standard king bedroom with monument view. The room was pretty standard, with about 300 square feet, a king-size bed, a desk and a chair, a 47-inch television, as well as a second chair and ottoman for reading or just relaxing and looking out the window. As you can see, it was raining the first evening I arrived. From this side of the building, you can see many of the sites and buildings along Pennsylvania Avenue. Behind the door, you will find a coffee maker as well as complimentary water bottles. And inside the closet, you will find a robe, a stand for your luggage, as well as an iron and ironing board. By the next morning of my stay, you can see the rain had stopped and the sun was out, and you'll have some amazing views from the room, including the Washington Monument and the Jefferson Memorial, and in the far distance, you can see Reagan Airport. The JW Marriott is a great location to stay when visiting Washington, D.C., because it is only a block and a half away from the nation's most famous building, the White House. If you're lucky and they have the street open, you can get right up to the front of the White House for some amazing pictures. This section here is off to the right of the front yard of the White House and is where all of the news reporters do their live broadcasts from. One of the things that will surely catch your eye in front of the White House is this tent occupied by Mr. William Thomas. He has been here 24/7, 365 for over 40 years. Now let's head back inside and take a look at the suite life. Here we will have an insider's look at the presidential suite of the JW Marriott here in Washington, D.C. As we enter the suite, there is a small guest bathroom to the right when you first step inside. As we turn to the left, you'll see there's a large table that will easily seat 6 to 8 people. Here we also have a small bar, as well as a full-sized refrigerator and freezer, and a large Keurig coffee maker. You can see that the suite has a very large social and sitting area, as well as a small library convenient for doing computer work or reading. Situated between the master bedroom, study, and master bathroom is a large vanity area for doing hair and makeup.
As we explore the master bedroom, you can see there is some convenient seating along one side, as well as 2 sets of double doors leading out to the balcony. The master bathroom has a very large, multiple-person shower, as well as a jacuzzi tub and a large vanity area with 2 sinks. To get out to the balcony, we're going through the master bedroom doors and out to the balcony which faces Pennsylvania Avenue. To the left, you can see the Capitol building down the street, and as you pan to the right, you can see other monuments like the Jefferson and Lincoln Memorials, as well as the Washington Monument, the Oval, which is a park behind the White House, and the World War I Memorial, which sits across the street from the hotel. Here are some other photos from the World War I Memorial that I explored while I was staying at the JW Marriott. Now let's take a closer look at the master bathroom. Here we can see the shower that has shower heads on both sides of the shower and full body jets on one of the sides. There's also a large jacuzzi tub that you can relax in. On the vanity, you'll find a selection of aromatherapy products that you can use during your stay. The suite also provides 2 robes that are just inside the closet in the area where the vanity is. One of the benefits of being a Marriott Bonvoy member is access to the M Lounge, which provides complimentary breakfast, snacks, and drinks for Bonvoy Elite members. Well, travelers, as we leave you, I hope you enjoyed this brief little clip of the suite life at the JW Marriott in Washington, D.C. We very much appreciate your likes to the video and subscription to the channel. On behalf of Katie and myself, bye for now, and thanks for watching.